So now let's look at rule number 2, lower precedence. This is also exactly the same as infix to postfix conversion. If the incoming operator has lower precedence than the operator which is in the top of the top of the stack operator is popped out, right? So as we see the example, we will see the rule. So then you will understand it much better. So the first thing we need to do to convert from infix to prefix is to reverse the expression C star B plus A, and then I'll say here input stack and output, and then I will scan each and every token from left to right. So C as it is here, I will put C here in the output. Now star, nothing in the stack. Star is an operator, therefore I will push operator into the stack. C remains here. B is not an operator. CB comes in the output. Now comes plus. This is where rule 2 applies. If the incoming operator has lower precedence, so we can see here plus has lower precedence than star. The precedence of plus is 3, precedence of multiplication is 2. Therefore plus has lower precedence than star. Therefore what should we do? We have to pop the operator which is the top of the stack. So basically we need to pop out this one. We need to pop out star here. The top of the stack operator is popped out, correct? Is popped out here. So we need to pop out star. So I'll say CB star, and then this we push it into the stack, correct? Remaining operator, the incoming operator, we push it into the stack, right? We have seen C star B and plus. Now comes A. Plus is still in the stack. C B star A, right? So after this we have evaluated C star B plus A. The whole expression has been evaluated, so the only operator left in the stack is plus. I will say CB star A plus, and then this we reverse it out. We say here plus A star CB. This is our prefix expression for this infix expression, right? I hope you have understood this rule number 2, lower precedence. If you have watched infix to postfix, it is exactly the same. The rule is the same, right? The way we do the expression is a little different. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.